Hello and welcome guys. Today I'm gonna share with you a project I'm working on. So my home country is in trouble actually in future. The world environment specialists, they are saying a certain country in the world gonna go underwater after a couple of years because the sea level is rising. I think you know the ice is melting everywhere. Now in this situation, those countries probably gonna go sink. So we should warn those people, and including my home country, let them know that they should think about building a house like a shape of boat or like a shape of ferry, and then they build their home on that. And later when water come, sea level rise or water level rise, the ship or the ferry type of home, it's gonna go up, and when water gonna go down, it's gonna go down. So they never need to worry about their home can be destroyed, can be sink. Destroy could be possible if a disaster come, when like big structures get damaged. So let me show you how I plan from beginning to end. So this is the plan of a house, which is let me show you what's the dimension of it. So it's gonna be like 60 feet from outside to outside, and from this corner, this is the back side of it, it's 30 feet. So 30 feet by 60 feet, and this is the one will be when, for example, let's say this is like a boat, okay, and one day you come up with an idea to make this your house movable, so you can move from one place to another. So it's possible, it's not hard. The whole design gonna be like, one day if you want to make it like a boat, you can make. So you're gonna add some engines and generator, heavy generator, and then you put two propeller there, the fan, the motor, and this side will be your front side, this side will be your rear side. And when you want to park it, so let me show you. Let's say this is a road, okay, so you're gonna bring your boat and it's going to be join the road here, like gonna be park with the road. So it's a big boat, or you can say a house in a boat. Now let me show you from beginning. So I started the design from here. So what we need to do, we need to have three boat, like wooden boat or like steel metal boat. Three piece of boat we need to made with metal first, which is gonna be, let me show you the dimensions. So it's gonna be 6 feet from here to there, and this way you're gonna be 60 feet. I will show you when it start curving, and these three are same, so that's why I put letter A here, letter A here, and letter A there. If it is different, I put different letter. So you can see here overall size is 30 feet, and then each of them are 6 feet, and then gap between two is 6 feet. So like 6 6 6 6 and 6, that's 30. And then if you make 3 boot out of it, then 6 and 6, 12 feet left in the center. Now if you come on the front side, you can see the gap will be between two, will be 12, because this point becomes 0. That's why 12 feet by 12 feet, but from this corner to this corner will be 24 feet. Now if you come here and take a look on the A, how A looks. So it's 60 feet long, you can see 60 feet long, 30 feet gonna be straight, and the rest of the 30 feet going to be carved slowly from here to there. Now if you follow this design exactly, you can build it by yourself. So you look here, it's 6 feet on this side, until 30 feet it's still 6 feet. You see, 6 feet. Then it start become different sizes. Let me show you. So okay, now the first one, from like each of these are 1 feet away from each other. So let me show you. For example, from this center of this line to center of this line is 1 feet. So you're gonna see here 30 lines total, because 30 feet, every 1 feet have a dimension, different dimension. So let's start with 6 feet. So from here we are starting curving. This is 6 feet. Then after 1 feet it's gonna be 5 feet 11 and 6. After 1 feet gonna be 5 feet 11.1. After 1 feet gonna be 5 feet 10.5. This is how it's gonna go to the end, and the last before the 0 is gonna be 4.5 inches. This is how you're gonna get the shape, because you need to draw this shape on the ground, I believe, before you build it. Then otherwise you're not able to make it. You're gonna need a big factory to build it. But the factory will also do it not in the ground, but they will do in their machine. So if our people who build a boat and who have experience building things, they can do it. You do not need to be a boat builder to build it, because if you have a drawing and you can follow, you can do it. So you're gonna create 3 of them. Now you have this shape, but you don't know what's the height. I'll show you later the height. This is the one you need to create another piece of metal, which is gonna be like this. So let's say this one, if you check the outside from this corner to this corner, is 6 feet. So this is the exactly as the A, but you need to make the part inside. You see this part? Let me hatch it. So solid, and let's change the color. So let's make it yellow. No, yellow is too shiny. Let's say light blue. Close. So you see this light blue area, you need to build this piece of like a shape of the boat, but it's gonna be only about 1 feet high, and this one going to join somewhere. I'll show you soon. So you have this one, which is dimension will be 4 feet 6 inch by 29 feet 2.9 inch from here to there, and then later I'll provide all the dimension later when I done this project. I'll let you guys to go to my website and download it. So later, so now you have ready 3 A's and 3 piece of this blue area. Let me detail this so you can see this, but without the outline you're not gonna understand. That's why I put an outline. So this blue area going to be a piece of metal 1 feet high, and it's going to be on exactly this shape. Okay, so keep it in mind. We're gonna create 3 of them, 1 2 3 and 3 A's. Okay, now we come here, we need to build this one. So this piece of a frame, it's like a frame, right? It's the dimension is here. Accurate this dimension you can follow to build it. You have 3 pieces of A's and 3 pieces of these, and now we're gonna make a frame, like the floor. The floor gonna be this piece, and we're gonna build something above it. So now let me show you the dimension of this one. The dimension will be from here to there, which is 24 feet. Enter. If you go there, it's going to be 30 feet, no more. And the outside is 30 and 30, as much as I remember. Here you go, and here to there also 30. Now this frame, when you make this piece first. Let me bring it here. So you're gonna make this one piece, right? When you build it, you're gonna keep space this, you see this 3 boot shape thing, you're gonna keep 3 hole. So if I take it back, Control Z, okay, so let's say okay, let me show you. H it, let's change color no later. So let's say this blue area, this area going to be solid, and it's going to be like a slab of a floor. So it's 1 foot high, and inside gonna be hollow space, so we can run pipes for electric pipe and sanitary pipes and other, you know, like concealed thing we need to run through the boat from front to back and back to front and everywhere else. So we need hollow, but it's gonna height gonna be 1 foot, and this 3 cut will be in the center. Why this 3 cut? Because this cut going to fill with this piece. So if I take this one, change the color and copy this one, and clicking from the head, bring it here, bring it here. Oh, okay, now should be here, and delete this one. So you see this piece, the blue piece, going to, so this, wait, give me 1 second. So this 3 orange piece going to sit on the top of, on the center of this one, the A. So if I copy this one, C or enter, copy from the head, go and click here. You see how it's sitting? It's going to be 9-inch small every side, and it's going to sit on this top of the A, and later you're gonna get a shape of 3 boot with these 3, and then we bring this piece of slab and put it from the top, so it's going to become 1 piece. After we put it, we're gonna weld weld and put a lot of bolts, so it's gonna be 1 piece. So this 3 A's going to be underwater, like as much weight they take, then I go underwater, and let's say it's gonna be about 50% underwater and 50% above water. So if we make this boat like 10 feet high or 12 feet high, 6 feet gonna be underwater and 6 feet gonna be above water, and above this 6 feet this piece going to sit, the slab. So it's gonna be our total height before the building gonna be about 7 feet above water. So keep it in the mind. Now after you do this thing as I mentioned, now you're gonna get this, let me show you. So you're gonna get like this a plot, so you can call it like a plot. Oh boy, F3 off. So you're gonna get a plot like this. So your plot is little bigger than 60 feet, I believe. It's gonna be, oh no, it's 60 feet I kept. Okay, so 60 feet by 30 feet you get a full plot. Okay, now how you gonna go in? I'm deleting this one, coming here. So if this is our front, we're gonna most of the time gonna communicate through this way. So this one gonna be our main door. So we're gonna have 3 inch wall, you can say, or outside and inside everywhere 3 inches, not more than that. So 3-inch wall mean it's not gonna be bricks or something else, it's gonna be metal, all steel, or steel and aluminum together. So 3-inch gonna be everywhere, like everywhere, outside and inside. Now when you come here, you put one piece of, like, you know, complete piece of metal like this. Let me show you, bring it here. So you're gonna build one like this, 3-inch thick. Control Z, bring it back, and then we're gonna put a Z-shape metal here and put lot of fasteners. So this Z-shape thing gonna be maybe if it is like 8-inch long, 8-inch tall, then gonna be like 6 of them, and put a lot of screws, because when the intruder come, like the thief come or somebody try to break in, they will try through this door. This is the vulnerable place, right? Now we need to, like, hold it very tight. So you can see how I like try to save the door. So now the door is not like opening inside or outside to take space. It's gonna be a sliding door. So we're gonna go this way. Oh boy, F8. Gonna go this way, all the way in. When you open it, it's gonna go this way. If you push it, it's gonna go all the way in. And you have completely 4 feet opening. You can take anything you want inside, almost anything you can take with 4 feet opening. Now if somebody try to break in, they're not able to do that because our door going to be very enforced. So it's not possible to break in easily. It's gonna take a very good amount of time to break in, and we will build some protection later. So now we have the same technology on this side, and I kept this place. You see this area? I keep it like when we reach to the ground. Let's say here is our road or a place we can park our boat and we can get out through this way. It's going to be 1 step down than the plinth level, the floor level. So just 1 step down and then we can walk. Later actually when I was trying to draw the 3D, I made it with what is called, I put some railing here. I believe I can show you my 3D too. Anyway, so now I'll explain the plan. Who understand, congratulations. Who are new, better for them to understand. So now you come this way inside, you go, there gonna be 1 bed and a sofa. Simple. Everything need to attach with the ground, because if cyclone come or if some very big kind of storm come, it's gonna be shakes. The whole boat going to shake, right? So you don't want something move from its place. So the sofa gonna be bolted down with the ground. The bed will be bolted down. Maybe the table, maybe not. Maybe we're gonna do something so we can push it in and pull it out. This is how also we can do that. Okay, other than that, so you're gonna come in, you open this door, you're gonna go there, and this place is gonna be an arch. You can go through the arch and it's gonna be a dining room sometime. And we're gonna put a window here, a small window. Nobody can go in, but a window with a glass, so if somebody comes and knock the door, we can see from here, and then we're gonna open the door. Maybe night, maybe you never know. It's for safety. Second thing, so this is our dining room. 6 people can sit, eat. You can add 1 more chair if you want, but 6 people gonna be in most of the family have 6, 7, 8 people. So if you need to add some people, you can. If you go a little more in, so you can go upstairs this way. Do not worry about this railing, is for upstairs actually. So when the stair is going up like this, so you're gonna go straight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the number 10 will be this corner. So 10 means 5 feet. And because the rise of the stair will be 6 inch each of them, so if 10 stairs, gonna be 5 feet. And then you're gonna go this way 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and then you're gonna get another landing. So first you start from here, 1 landing, then go this way, another landing, and 3rd landing gonna be there. So this one going to be the first floor ceiling. So now you reach here and you start walking this way or that way. Makes sense? Now when you start walking this way, this 2 inch gonna be for your railing, so you can hold the railing and walk up and go this way, and the railing gonna be continue to the first floor, and then the railing come this way and stop here. Otherwise people gonna fall this way, right? Makes sense? And it's going to be aligned with this, and it's gonna look beautiful. After you reach here, you get under this stair gonna be a little bit space. You can use this way, this space, and other than that, you gonna get this. You see this line, this area, and we're gonna build a bathroom there, and we're gonna keep it 2 feet door. So under these stairs, So you're gonna come this way. If you're gonna go to your guest or somebody comes with you, or you wanna go to bathroom just without going any bedroom, so you're gonna go straight, open this door, and we're gonna go here. The shower, there's the bathroom commode, and here's the small hand wash place. Now, other than that, you can keep 1 or 2 motorcycles if you want. So let's say a family must have their motorcycles, right? So you can bring it in, you can put your motorcycle here. One motorcycle gonna be easily, you can park here. And if you have 2 motorcycles also, you can park another one next to it. And it's gonna be little, uncomfortable to go to the bathroom. But if you park, you need park, then you park it here. What are you gonna do? Also, you can, if you want to park it somewhere here, there. Like you can put a little bit inside this way also possible. So not a big deal, right? And I kept this place, I could draw it straight, but I kept it little bigger because sometimes people coming down and somebody going out or in, then it's space. Also, if you want to make it look more beautiful, comfortable, then you can put some flowers here, plastic flower or the original flower. I mean, what is better. And also you can build them as, put something underneath, so you can push it to hold and then pull it out, so it's not gonna fall down even the boat is shaking right or left. And if you don't want to put anything here, you can park your one of thing like a bike maybe or something. When everybody is going to sleep, you can do that. So this is actually your kitchen. When you enter in your kitchen, you have plenty of space. There is another arc. You can put if you need to put a curtain, you can put there. So it's gonna be separate. You're gonna put one there also. So no, if your guest, if you don't like your guest, see who is in there, you can do that. You can put a curtain here, a curtain there. Now, when you cook something, you can just directly take it from kitchen to the dining. And in the kitchen, this is the prep table, then a sink, then this is the cooking range. You can we call it stove too. And this one a hood which gonna pull out all the smell and the hot air from the kitchen. Other than that, we have a corner cabinet, and this place gonna be something we're gonna build something later, maybe a shelf or something, because of the shape is look ugly. What are we gonna do? So, and it's gonna be fun if when you build it. So you have a corner cabinet, and then you have like two feet cabinet and one 1 feet cabinet with one door, and this is your refrigerator, plenty of space inside. And when you have prep table, you're gonna do all the cutting here, so you're good, right? Other than that, if somebody break into this door at night when everybody's sleeping, then they have another door to break. So it's gonna be a thick, 1/4 inch thick sheet metal. So we are going to bend it like this, or we're gonna just make it like a small piece, and then we're gonna weld and make it one piece. It's going to be a one piece, like a jump or side, and this is another jump piece on the like a side piece, and the door gonna be in between. So when you lock this door from inside, I'm not showing any locking mechanism right now, but when you lock it, another 1 hour or 2 hour job to open this door. What I'm trying to say, it's not gonna be an easy task for a thief to break in without waking up everybody. Okay. Other than that, when you come to main living area, so get a bedroom. Only this bedroom have no attached bathroom. So let's say if you have a young son or a daughter, or somebody gonna live in this room, they're gonna go out this way, open this door, they're gonna go to this bathroom, because it's gonna be a common bathroom for everybody. Other than that, this bedroom have a attached bathroom here, which is 5 feet 6 inches by 8 feet. Every bedroom are 12 feet by 12 feet 6 inches. You can see. Now, if we stay here, this bedroom have their attached bathroom. This bedroom have their attached bathroom, and we have this space for storage, because you need a lot of storage space because this is the only home you have, and you have to be live with, like, a lot of storage need for our food and fruits and vegetable, and sometimes clothing, sometimes extra cloth for extra things for guests if they come, like bed and bed sheet and this and that. So sometimes chair and tools and stools and other things you can put everywhere. Now you can go this side also, you get a big storage, which is this way gonna be 12 feet 6 inches, this way gonna be like 12 feet, and I just put a dimension 5 feet 6 inch, which is this way, and then 12 feet 6 inch. So I don't want to make confuse people, but I put another size here, 4 feet 3 inches. So you're gonna know, like, how much space you have. You're gonna use all of this, and then you're gonna come all the way. And so this one with one bathroom, this room have the common bathroom, this room have attached bathroom, this room have attached bathroom, and every bathroom have shower and everything, all the business you can do. Now I am still thinking about a door on the back side, and not sure if I want to make one, but probably I'm gonna put a door there. The doors are the vulnerable place for a home. You can't break a wall, but you can break a door, right? Normally people do that. So I'm thinking, but I'm still not sure, because let's say if I do not have a door, and for any fire emergency or something else, the windows I'm gonna design later, not yet. The windows not gonna be exitable, so you can't get out through windows. Let's say a window wide is 4 feet and height is only 9 inches, so you can get air, but you can't get out through this. Now if you have an emergency, how are you gonna get out? This is the problem. That's why I have plan. I'm thinking to open a door here, but not yet. We'll see. So this 30 feet by 60 feet apartment you can have in a boat. Now when you go this way up, you have second floor. So what I thought for second floor, now all the weight gonna be on this boat or boat home. It's gonna go, all the pressure go to these three A's. Now we can't build a 2-3 storage building with these 3 boats. If you want to make it like 3 storage, 4 storage, it's gonna be another drawing, another kind of drawing. Okay, let's go back to second floor. You can say first floor. So after you done with the ground floor or this floor, you can call it first floor, and let's call it first floor, and this one second floor. So when you go to the stair, come up. So my suggestion is we're gonna have plants here. All of these are plants. Better you can you can plant for onion, garlic, and other fruits and vegetables. You can grow here, because this plenty of space you have, and sunlight gonna be there, and water you can always have, because your home is in your pond or somewhere in water, so you can always have water access. Just give them some water. Now point is, when the boat is shaking, they're gonna fall down, right? So each of them gonna be a tub gonna be underneath, and that tub gonna have a piece of magnet, and that piece of magnet going to hold with the metal. So for example, let's say this is the ground. Okay, I'm showing you on elevation. So you're gonna have one of So let's say this is like a tub, and then we have our greens are here. So let's say these are our, oh boy, I'm trying to make it look like a tree, taking time. Oops. So let's say this is a vegetable tree or something, and here we're gonna apply a piece of magnet. Okay, so this piece of magnet going to so when you have this pot and you pull it down to and you put it down, this piece of magnet going to hold your tub tight with the ceiling. I hope it makes sense to you. And if you pull hard, it's gonna go up. So this is how you're gonna plant, and try, if you keep distance between plants, so you can walk through them, you can water them. My intention was about 2 feet, so 1 feet 11 and 9 mean 2 feet almost. So 2 feet gaps this way, 2 feet gaps this way. Now I put 3 trees, and then I have on the side, maybe sometime you walk on with the railing, or you stop and watch the weather and watch your neighbors. So I don't want to put it with the wall, so you keep like 2 feet inside. This area is less than 2 feet because I was trying to align with this, and I don't want to miss this place. So a different kind of thing you can plant there, and done. Now on the front side, if let's say if you have a good view of your front of your house, so you're gonna face this side of your boat or boat home to that beautiful view, and then people gonna you can place 5 chairs here. Those are beach chairs, so you can take sun baths, or everybody needs sunlight, so you can easily have some sunlight here. Okay, other than that, you have some extra open space there if you need to do something, or you never know, if something come up when I'm gonna completing the 3D, I'll go over it. And other than that, you have this door, also sliding door, and you see how I build it. So it's aligned with this way, and this side is like 3 inch out, because if somebody trying to break through the second floor, then they can't break in easily. So they come here, they're gonna put some metal here, maybe they're gonna squeeze. No, it's not gonna work. And how are we gonna lock it, right? So we're gonna lock like this. Let's build a piece of metal. And so we're gonna build something like this, and so make it as a block just to show you. So let's bring this piece of metal, and we're gonna make a hole and put this piece. When we're gonna lock the door, this piece is going to hang somewhere on this wall or this wall, and we're gonna push this one inside. It's gonna be little here or close to this area, and this 3-inch thick wall, and then you have 1/4 inch on both side, the metal, sheet metal made U-shape thing, jump, and then we're gonna push this one in, and we're gonna put another piece of metal here, and we're gonna have something there, so no way you can breaking it. So even if you know the drawing and you cut this area, it's not gonna work, because if you push this way, it's not gonna go inside, because you have something, we're gonna have something like this on vertical here to hold it, so you're not able to, no way you can open it. Now if you're gonna cut through this 2-inch door panel, good luck, it's gonna be metal and gonna be with lot of noise, so not like 99.9% secure. And there is not lock, like you can do some magic and open the lock. No, there is not. This is gonna be manual locking from inside. So if somebody want to break in from outside, it's almost impossible. Okay guys, so that was all about this whole boot home plan. I'm gonna close without saving, not saving. So I could not complete the 3D works actually completely. I just actually started. It's been a couple of days. I did not upload anything on the YouTube, so I was not feeling comfortable. So let me show you what I did. Right now you can see a little bit of the primary idea of this boot home. Let me delete everything so you can see easily. Okay, I'm gonna go to top view and delete everything. Go to the isometric view. You can see this is how it's look. Now if I go to this one and show you, so beginning at you remember the boot, so boot gonna be this piece. I did not draw yet. I'll show you guys later. So this it's gonna be one piece like this, a piece. The underneath of this piece gonna be like this, like straight. Okay, and top of this, so I'm gonna go back. Top of this, wait, move, enter, preview, enter. Let's move it like 50 feet. Move this one also 50 feet. Now you can see, so first we're gonna build this 3 piece, then we're gonna build this one, remember the A shape thing. Let's bring it let's bring it to 50 feet, so it's gonna sit on the top. So you can see like this, right? Now you remember I was showing another small piece. We're gonna make like 9-inch from all the sides. That piece going to sit like this on the top of the blue one. So you can see it sit perfectly, right? Make sense? No. I don't know make sense or not. Control Z. Okay, so first you're gonna build this piece, then you're gonna have this blue piece, and then you're gonna have that 1 feet height, 9-inch smaller than the boot. This is the piece. So let's bring these two also, so 50 feet. So we have our A shape is the blue color, and another one, remember the orange shape, is gonna be this one, the white one. It's actually attached with this, but I did not make it to the same color. and this piece gonna be joined from the bottom. So we're gonna make 3 separate pieces. Let's say this is one, let's say one put 1A, and in 1A we're gonna join a piece for the bottom, and the piece in the center, and the piece on the top. Why this piece is necessary on the for the top? So remember I was talking about we're gonna build the one piece for our as a slab. So this is the slab. You see there are hollow space in between, and that space is half inch bigger than the white area. So it's gonna go sit perfectly. Let me put 50 feet, and let me show you where is the half inch. You can see here. Let me go on this one and rotate a little bit. Oops. See. So you can see, you barely see. So you have a little bit gap. Otherwise, if no gap, you're not able to go, put it in. So you have half inch. Still there are, well, if you build a little bit anything right or left, it's not gonna be sitting properly. You need to cut off. You need to cut on the spot. So after you put this slab, now this piece and the slab, after you all weld very well and put some nuts, fasteners, big nuts, and it's gonna be one piece. It's gonna be one heavy piece and not gonna go easily out. Still, I'm thinking about one more thing. If you have advice, please pass me through. So let me show you. If I go to the side view, no, let's go to the back view. What is back view? See the back. So let's say DLI, enter. Now this whole thing is about 15 feet tall. Now 15 feet tall mean if you bring this 1 feet down, come on, give me the center part. This is 14, right? Yeah, I just want to make sure it's 1 feet. So now 14 feet is too tall without any connection. So let me delete this one. So if I go to the back, no, to the side, whatever side, yeah. So you see this gap. The gap is 6 feet, but the tall from here to there 14 feet. Now if something hit here very hard or there very hard, probably they're gonna be separate. So I'm thinking to put a piece of beam in between them, like maybe few of them. So I'm still thinking, but we will back on this later. I'll go with my engineer friend and figure it out. Now if I go to the isometric view, you can see this is how it's look. Now if you go to the front side to see the door and other things, you can see there's something hollow, right? I'll show you what is it. Now this is how we're gonna build the front, like 6 inch for a step. Let's say go to SW isometric, NW isometric, and you see this everything. I'm gonna just go to side view, take everything except the slab. Remember 50 feet, bring it down 50 feet. And if you go to the isometric, or what is called southeast isometric, you can see this is your outline wall, 3 inch thick. And let me show you inside. See the inside. Don't worry about the color of white, and it's gonna be one color later before we build our building. And this is how everything gonna be. Now I need to bring, go to SW isometric. Let's bring this slab 50 feet, and it's gonna be there. So guys, the whole logic behind it, that we should and we can build a very strong and beautiful home in a boat shape. Cost, I know you are thinking about the cost, because all of them are, you know, metal and aluminums. Cost gonna be little more than concrete buildings, but this one, when you build with metal, if you can build it properly, it's gonna stay more than 100 years. Normally wrought concrete cement buildings are not staying more than 60-65 years in certain countries, because RCC is not strong enough like before. Okay, now this is the funny thing. Okay, so let's say there is a road. Let me draw the road, man. So let's say RCC, enter. We have a road. Let's say it's about 25 feet. Go to straight view, and bring it down. Let's say our, so imagine this is the road, okay, and your boot came all the way close to it. Now how are you gonna get out? Maybe the road are, wait guys, road are not like this. I should build it properly. So I'm gonna go to the isometric view, okay, and I'm going to add few things with the road, because most of the road gonna be like this, even underwater or above water. Oh boy. So I draw two wings of the road, extruding them from here to there. Okay, so road's gonna be like this. Now even if it is underwater, it's have a extra shape, extra space. Now your boot home not gonna go all the way touch the road. So let's say we're gonna bring this boat close to the road, or road close to the boat. It's about to touching, right? We can keep until it's touched. We're not gonna feel it, right? Now we're gonna go as SW isometric view, and we have a piece of metal here. There's our stair. So you're gonna bring it out. See, enter. See, it's gonna coming out and touch the road. So it should not come out from the building, but let's say I think I should build it little more bigger. So right now it's 10 feet. So let's say like this. Now everybody can walk, right? You can just walk, and when you're done, you just put it back. And you have both side here railings, and just for beauty. And if somebody when somebody open the door, and let me open the door. So open the door, come out, and see, like stand here or in a bend over here, hold one hand gonna hold this metal and another hand gonna pull this one out, right? Makes sense? This is all, I mean, that's all for today, guys. Just want to show you like what I'm doing. So I'm deleting, actually I'm not going to change anything, I'm just closing the file. So before that, let me show you one more time. It's gonna be look like this, and if you stand on the front, it's gonna look like this. And let's say if it is this much underwater, after you complete first floor, second floor, I mean not second floor like another floor, no, it's just for one floor, and you're gonna have some few things on the roof. So it's probably gonna be, you know, out of water about, let's say about 6 feet, my count. So if we say 4 feet, we can, it's gonna be, you're gonna see when you stand, you're gonna see this much. So let me hatching it out. Let's hatch the whole subject. So select as center, okay, and let's say, yeah, white is now, let me change the color, little watery color. And if I bring it on the top, oh wait, what is that? Oh boy, where is it? So actually putting it on the both sides, guys. No, actually, can I you know, edit it? I mean extrude it. Edit it. So if you go to the side view, so you're gonna see, let's say excuse me, so when you stand somewhere like, you know, on a straight, like straight view and watching, you're gonna see this much building. From the side view, actually you're not gonna understand. You're gonna see water, something is floating on the top of water. But if you go to the front view, you're gonna see this three-boot type of shape of thing, and you're gonna feel like, oh okay, this is a boat home or something, right? So if I rotate now, you can see this is the back, yeah, the back, and then you can see the side, and you can see the front. And when we're gonna cut the windows, we're gonna give a lot of beautiful shapes. You can make it very expensive and you can make it very cheap. I try my best to make it as much, you know, less cost I can. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully see you in the next video and explaining more detail about it. If you have any opinion, please share with me with the comments. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful time. Take care.